Hello, beauties. Today I'm gonna share my morning and evening skincare routine with you all. Firstly, I start with a mild cleanser. It's from Love Earth. It gets rid of excess oil very gently without drying my skin. It has no fragrance and it is very creamy, so it can be used by dry skin people as well. I massage the cleanser into my skin for a good 30 to 40 seconds, and after that, I rinse it off with some cold water. After washing off the cleanser, I take some ice in a bowl and I ice my face. I keep my face in it for 10 to 15 seconds and I do this for 3 to 4 times. It is so refreshing and it gets rid of the puffiness from the face in the morning. It is also great for your pores and it helps to control excess oil on my face. You want to start with lesser duration and then eventually build it up. I have seen an immense difference in my pores and my overall skin after I have started ice facial. So I would definitely suggest, if you have never tried, do try it. It's amazing. Next, I use one thing Centella asiatica extract as my toner. Centella is known to soothe your skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties which not only fights acne but it also minimizes acne scarring. I take some on my palm and then I press it into my skin. Centella asiatica is also used to treat wounds such as burns and cuts and even psoriasis, so it's a very soothing ingredient. Moving on to moisturizer, I use Clinique Moisture Surge or aloe vera gel. Today I'll use Clinique Moisture Surge. It is one of the nicest moisturizer that I have used. I have oily skin type, so most of the moisturizers make my skin feel very heavy and uncomfortable, which is why I prefer using a gel based moisturizer or just plain aloe vera gel. Lastly, I finish my routine with a SPF. This is the Face Shop Sun Creme. It is lightweight and it does not leave a white cast. Also, this SPF has skincare benefits in it as well. And I really like Face Shop as a brand. I use a good amount of the SPF and then I don't need to worry about sun damage. Also, it gives a beautiful glow to my face. So this is my morning skincare routine. It hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes, but having a simple and effective routine makes a huge difference in your skin. Moving on to the night skincare routine, I like to double cleanse my face every day. Even on the days when I'm not wearing makeup, I use an oil-based cleanser first. This one is the M Caffeine Green Tea Cleansing Butter. It melts my makeup and it deeply cleanses my skin. It gets rid of the oil and dirt that is sitting in my pores. And after that, I take a wet cleansing pad and I wipe off all the makeup. Later, I use the Love's Coffee Foaming Face Wash as my second cleanse. It comes with this cleansing head which helps exfoliate your skin, but I don't use the cleansing head every day. I just use it alternate times. I cleanse my face for 30 to 40 seconds and then I rinse it off. Once my face is dry, I either use Pixi Glow Tonic or Cosrx BHA Power Liquid. I use Cosrx once or twice a week only. Tonight I'm using Pixi Glow Tonic. Both exfoliate your skin. I take some of it on my palm and then I dab it across my face. I use a chill jade roller after. It's really relaxing. They say it helps lift your face as well and prevent signs of aging. I also sometimes use a cool eye pack as I work a lot in front of the screen, so it helps calm down my eye area and it helps soothe it. I use the Face Shop Shea Butter Lip Balm after that. This lip balm is very hydrating and it almost feels like a lip gloss. Finishing up with the same moisturizer or aloe vera gel, either of it. And if my skin is breaking out, I use the Dr. Kiehl's Blue Astringent as my spot treatment. After that, I braid my hair and that's about it. This is something I do once or twice a week. I mix some gram flour and yogurt in almost equal amounts and then I add a pinch of turmeric to it and I apply it all over my face. This face mask is just so good. If you are an Indian, I'm sure you must have heard of it or you must have tried it as well. I apply it all over my face and then in a good amount, I let it sit on my skin until it is 70% dry. After that, I wet my hands and I scrub off the mask and I rinse off with water. You can see how bright and clean my skin looks after this. I love it so much.